Meet Project Byron. Finished in Land Rover Byron blue and topped with a sand canvas soft top, this Defender 110 is designed to make you feel something the moment you turn the key. Beneath its classic silhouette lives a 430 horsepower LS3 V8, smooth, confident and always ready, paired with a 6-speed automatic that makes every mile effortless. E.C.D air ride suspension adapts to the road ahead, while EBC brakes and a baller stainless exhaust deliver control, balance, and a sound that reminds you this is something special. It's power you can enjoy without thinking twice. The exterior blends heritage and attitude, Kahn alloy wheels, Narvik black accents, LED lighting, and Defender hood lettering, bold enough to stand out, refined enough to feel timeless. Inside, Project Byron is where craftsmanship meets personality. Tan and navy leather with diamond stitching, blue piping, and subtle contrast details create a cabin that feels relaxed, coastal, and personal. From the Momo steering wheel to the French oak cargo flooring, every detail is designed to be experienced. Project Byron is a vehicle built with intention.